I wanted to be part of this transdisciplinary community and work with academics from different disciplines and also people from different sectors such as from industry, from policymaking, and learn from this knowledge exchange.
I learned many things, but one of the most important things I learned is a view, or more a principle, that conservation needs to look to balance the needs of the natural environment with the needs of the social structures that we've created for ourselves to live in.
This placement with the National Environment Agency broadened my research areas to thinking about things more holistically.
My name's Poppy and I'm doing a placement with the National Museum of Wales, and I'm looking at the economic botany collection. The aim of the placement is to explore how this collection has the potential to develop understanding and valuing of biodiversity.
What we've been looking at is mainstreaming of biodiversity in business. So trying to understand how to engage business with the achievement of biodiversity targets set at international levels, and getting them to realise that they are relevant to what they do and that there are ways that they can help to achieve them right now.
My placement in SEPA looks at how to mainstream private sector investments in natural capital. So what types of governance mechanisms are needed and what type of information they need to invest in the landscapes that they depend on.
I've learned a lot on this placement. In particular, I've learned a lot about the use of stated preference choice experiments. I've never conducted one before, so it's very insightful for me to go through the process of designing and implementing such a survey. I learned that it's not quite as simple as I first thought.
The main thing I've learned is difficulty and complexity, and how you pull apart what bits you're measuring and where they fit within a policy context. So it's been a learning curve as to how it all fits together.
My placement has two main aspects. The first one is an economic valuation, so quantifying the health and well-being value of the East Devon Pebblebed Heaths. And the second part is a qualitative component, looking at the potential for partnership working to improve the health and well-being benefits.